We all want to leave a legacy for our kids and also for the future generation. Think about the Mutsibes, think about Donald Trump, what their parents did for them. There is one mistake that us as parents make. Back in 2010, most people ignored Bitcoin because they didn't understand it. Very few imagined that it will become one of the world's best performing assets. Today, one Bitcoin is worth over 1 million. So if someone had bought 100 Bitcoin and simply held on to it, those coins will be worth over 1 million at today's price. We can't go back and buy Bitcoin in 2010, but we can make sure that our children don't miss the next opportunity. We can't change the opportunities we missed years ago, but we can make better decisions today. So that's why in this video, I'll show you how to create a VALR account for your child and explain why starting could be one of the greatest financial gifts you can ever give to them. Before we begin, let's talk about VAL. VAL is one of South Africa's largest cryptocurrency exchange. It was founded in 2018 with the goal of making it easy and secure for South Africans to buy, sell, store, and transfer cryptocurrencies. Today, individuals and businesses use VAL to invest in cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, XRP, and many others. So, what is a VAL sub account? A VAL sub account allows you to create a separate portfolio under your main VAL account. For example, you can create your personal investment, your emergency fund, your child account. Even if you have more children, you can create separate sub accounts for them. By law, children are not allowed to create a crypto account until they turn 18. So you can use a sub account to create that account for your child and then invest for them while they are still young. And then when they turn 18, they will be rich. Instead of mixing everything together, each goal has its own investment. This makes it easier to stay organized. Why create a sub account for your child? Imagine investing a small amount every month from the day your child is born. They won't just receive money one day, they will receive years of investment and valuable lesson that building wealth takes time. Starting early gives your investment more time to grow. Even small monthly contribution can make a significant difference over many years. Why should parents start early? Many parents save for school fees, university, the first car, but very few invest for their children's future. By starting early, you can build a long-term wealth, teach your child about investment, develop a healthy financial habit, take advantage of long-term growth. Remember, the goal isn't to get rich overnight. The goal is to give your child a financial head start. In this video, I am going to show you how to create a VALR account, how to name it for your child, how to transfer money to it, how to start investing from that one place. So follow along step by step. A word of caution: cryptocurrency is a high-risk investment. Prices can rise and fall significantly. Only invest money you can afford to leave invested for the long time, and consider diversifying your family investment rather than relying on one crypto. Creating a VALR account for your child is a simple way to start investing intentionally for their future. All right, let's go to my laptop so I can show you how to create a sub account, name it, deposit, and also buy cryptocurrencies that are cheap. So my advice is buy the cheapest ones, because anyway, they still have time. Those cryptocurrencies will grow over time. Buying Bitcoin right now in Ethereum is late for us. So you begin by creating your account. You will find the link on the video description. And after creating your account, you can click wallets and see all the cryptocurrencies that are available. But then we're not going to start here. I am going to show you how to create a sub account. So when you click right under main account, so this main account is created for you. From there, you can just add any sub account that you want. So let me just say test. We will change it so I can show you how to change it. So can you see now I do have a sub account called text, and then when I click it, it gets selected. So it means now whatever I'm going to do, I am going to do in this account. So when you click test, you'll see there's an edit. You can just edit there and name whatever you want to name. So you can use this for all your kids, or maybe you want to save for loan, or maybe you want to just give them give these different names. So now we're operating under Sally, but now I want to invest for my son. So let's go to Agani. I select Agani. Can you see at the top already is changing? So after changing, we always go to wallets to operate. So under wallets, you would see that we can deposit money, we can buy crypto. Under my ZA account, there's nothing, so I'm just going to deposit money. So I did this one just to show you how to deposit. So you can use EFT, you can use your card, and then you just need to review, enter the amount, and then after it will take you to pay fast, and you will be able to pay with your card. So once you do it once, you won't need to enter your card again, so it will select it if you wanted to select it. So now I do have money in the ZA account, so let's wait for it to process so we can see if the money is sent. So they do charge a fee. So far I noticed that when I bought for 50 rand, they actually took 2 rand, and now I will get 48 rand. So now they will also have to confirm the deposits as well, and after click view ZA wallet. So can you see now we do have 48 rand under my ZA wallet. When you scroll down, you will see it there, and now we are ready to buy. I am going to show you 2 ways to buy, the difficult way and the easy way. So if you're not interested in the difficult way, just scroll to 7 minutes 23 seconds. Now under spot, you will see that you can click spot trading and select ZA, and you will see currency pairs and select the currency pair that has your crypto coin. So let's just scroll around, and then I will select Shiba Inu just for this example. You're not going to use this method. I'm just showing you for those of you who want to learn how to trade on this platform. So you enter your amount and you place an order, and it will process. It does take time. It did take time for me, but other crypto exchanges, it usually doesn't take time. So you place an order, as you can see, successfully placed. So the order is under open orders and under Akani's sub account. So when you go back to wallets, you will see that the money is no longer there. The balance is now 5 cents. So now we wait for the coin to be bought, but then I decided, you know what, let me just go back and delete this order, and then I can buy it the simpler way. So open orders, cancel this order because it didn't do it fast. So let me show you the simplest way. This is the one that you should use, unless if you're interested in learning this. Go back to wallets and then click buy crypto. Can you see the money is back because I've canceled that trading? So click buy crypto, select the account, the crypto that you want. Let's say you want to search for AVE or Shiba Inu. I am going to select Shiba Inu. So under pay with, can you see you can pay with card, but I am going to select pay with rand because we already deposited. With card as well, you will you can buy immediately without even going through all this process. The only problem is if your card is not entered, you won't be able to buy. So now that we bought Shiba Inu, we can view Shiba Inu in our wallet. So when you go to your wallet, you will see that you do have Shiba Inu under Akani's wallet. So can you see now Akani has Shiba Inu, has Tron. So basically this is how you buy. And guys, Shiba Inu is cheap. Buy those cryptocurrencies that are cheap, like for few cents, and then one day when they turn older, they will benefit from this. So I will record another video where I show you what cryptocurrencies to buy. You can watch that video. So if you want to switch between another child, maybe like going to Bongi, then I can go to Bongi and do the same thing, buy crypto for Bongi. So basically, this is how you are going to buy crypto for your kids now. Imagine what's going to happen after 5 years. What will be the price for Shiba Inu? So yeah, guys, this is how you buy. If you found this video helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with another parent who want to build wealth for their children. Let's create a better financial future. Thank you.